Hey guys, this is Conrad here. Today, you might have seen the new changes going on my, my account for YouTube. So, that's because it's going to be focused on one thing now. As Zon Connor officially phases out and the channel gets renamed to Conrad and Videos 2002, I am coming back to this channel. And I'm looking for a new apartment. And says that G-Force on one of the pets is the two stuff I've been hating the most. Don't worry, I'm still doing paper figurines series. But I'm going to be doing it in a Lego minifigures form. It's called World Encore. Lego World Encore by Conrad. This is a Stunts on Life 2002 event. I'm returning in 2026, as you noticed the title. It won't be the same nonsense as before. It will be funny stuff. And we're not going to take memes this time. We are going to do like a series. You're going to do like a series with the World Encore characters. Oh, excuse me. I'm not talking about returning the other two, how many I recorded back in the day. We're going to officially end off Girlfriend and Friends. And this is going to be my Lego Adventure channel now. It's just cheaper just to print it out and laminate it. It's cheaper to do it that way. Instead of buying all those minifigures for a pricey price. It's cheaper just do it that way. Alright. I will see you later, you guys. Take care and peace out.